Hey there, I just wanted to share with you in this video the problems and cons of buying the S12. So let me show you right now how it looks. So as you can see, it looks good. It's not cleaning bad, of course. Giving a good suction power, efficient metal navigation, good battery life, cost effective. Just be aware of, if you want to get it, these are the cons here. So the mapping function is mediocre and it's not really amazing. So if you're looking for the mapping function is not that amazing. The water tank is small, limiting its effectiveness in large areas. Small dust and water compartments, this is another thing. A robot sometimes struggles with carpets, cables and small obstacles. The robot does not recognize carpets, so you have to always lift them to prevent it from getting stuck during the cleaning, and is not really good for long hair. I just want to make this like super quickly and effective video for you that yes, the noise level is like, it really depends on how sensitive you are, but I don't know if I would have it like on during the night. Just be aware that the mapping function is just not that there yet. So if you're looking for something with mapping function, don't go with this product. But other than that, this could be good. And also if you have carpets, it struggles with carpets. So just also be aware of it. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye.